today is a day of rest, and we'll be doing absolutely nothing. Good morning from Koh Rong. Just for this moment, it was so worth coming here. There's something magical about the sky in Southeast Asia. Look at the clouds again and again and again. They are puffy and layered and just barely visible on different levels, and this creates this beautiful mosaic of colors on the sky. When I arrived, the entire sky was pink, but like pastel light pink, then slightly orange, and now it's turning blue. It's incredible. And our new dog is already here. And the sky is different again. For a second, it was just blue. Actually, quite dark. It looked like it would be cloudy today. A little bit menacing. And it's back to being light, slightly yellowish and pink in the east. And it's only been a few minutes. Can you see the teeny tiny ants? The big enemy in here is what they call a sandfly. It's basically like a very small mosquito that you cannot really see, and when this bites you, oh my gosh, I'm fully dressed right now because they bit my feet yesterday and it was a terrible experience. But the ants, what do they eat? They live on this beach. We saw them yesterday as well. Things you can find on the beach in the morning: plastic cup, plastic spoons, plastic little kite, bottle cup, two homeless dogs, plastic straw, a cup, some a drink, another straw, bottle cups everywhere, styrofoam from someone's meal. One is more and more and more cups. And by the way, if you think that this white sand beach is beautiful and white on its own, forget about it. Every single morning, the employees of every single resort comb the beach for trash so you can enjoy it when you wake up. Remember how yesterday we showed you the fish just from the pier? Look at this. There's this tiny fish in here. Oh, Donkey scared me. The dog is so funny. It will literally stand here in the water and stare at it. You're so funny. It's a pretty dog. It's pity someone abandoned it. 4:30 in the afternoon and the wind picked up. There are also more clouds, and maybe this ruins our chance for a nice sunset. But with the wind, the waves picked up as well. And just as Uli wanted to take a nice afternoon swim for the first time today, this is how the sea looks like right now. And this is what the sea gave back. Everything washed from the sea bottom. Plastic, styrofoam, shoes.
We're in Koh Rong. Today was a beautiful sunny day. We spent time relaxing, chilling by the pool, chilling on our sunbeds, and just hanging out. I think that after a few days of traveling, moving nonstop, we said today we're just going to relax and unwind, and that's exactly what we did, so we loved it. Now we're sitting down, we're about to have a delicious Thai meal. We have pad mama, vegetarian, we have vegetarian fried rice, and also vegetarian spring rolls. So let's dig in.
Good morning, Koh Rong. It looks like today it's going to be a cloudy day, but it's still very, very warm. Have we told you already that we're doing nothing today? Again?
Feels good.
Feels amazing.
Cheers.
How was it, Ulishu?
Oh, water's warm. So nice. And it's also clear. So clear. A lot of fish in the water too.
Not a lot. We spotted one.
I spotted 6.
No, not true. But if you go a little bit further, try it. There'll be like cold water on your feet.
Oh, really?
Yeah, crazy. And this is the island. And this is the biggest fish in the pond.
And those are the boats bringing other tourists to the island. Some are leaving. There's another one over there.
The speedboats, not the yellow boats.
Speedboats.
To be precise.
Yeah. Takes about half an hour to arrive from Sihanoukville.
And the ride is amazing.
That is amazing.
Calming and pleasant. You can sit on in the front of the boat and just admire the views. Amazing.
Yeah. Hold on to your hats. I lost the hat on the boat, so make sure you're holding on to the hat if you're sitting at the front of it. But about $25 round trip will get you to Koh Rong from Sihanoukville.
We extended our stay. Hard to believe, huh? I was just thinking we should have extended a little bit more.
Yeah.
This side of the beach doesn't belong to any resort, so it is not cleaned regularly in the morning. Terrain or not terrain? As you can see, the sky over there is completely dark, and it was raining over the islands in front of us, but as you can see, the rain moved there slightly more west. And we cannot see the thunders anymore, so are we lucky again? And the storm has passed. It looks like we will have a nice sunset. The water is amazing, even after dark. It's warm and nice. The waves are not too big. And I really hope the fishes went to bed.